Waxing is Xhosa Grammar. In today's video, we're going to learn some more useful stative adjectives. And in a follow-up video, I am going to show you some mnemonics that will help you memorize these words. So the first one we're going to look at is xakekile, meaning busy. So on top I put the root verb from which this adjective is derived. So xakeka would be to become busy, ukuxakeka. But we are more interested in the adjective formed from that verb, which would be in the long form xakekile, or in the short form xakeke. And the reason why I put dashes in front of them is that you obviously still need a subject. So this word doesn't exist on its own like that. It's just the verb or stative adjective that needs a subject base. Then we have ukunqaba, to become scarce or rare. So the adjective coming from that verb is nqabile, or in the short form nqabe, scarce or rare. Here are some examples. Uphi umkhuluwa wakho? Unqabile kwezintsuku. Where's your older brother? He's scarce these days. Ewe unqabe nyani. Yes, he really is scarce. Usemsebenzini, uxakekile. He's at work. He's busy. Bonke baxakekile kule mihla. Everyone is busy these days. Kunjalo, it is so. Baxakeke kakhulu ngokusebenza isidala. They are very busy from working so long. And here are some more adjectives. This one means to be in a hurry. Nqamile, from the verb ukunqama. So we have nqamile as the long form and nqame, short form. And we have from the verb ukunqila, to become drunk, we get the adjective nqilile, or in the short form nqile, drunk. Here's a little tongue twister for you. Uxolo kodwa andikwazi ukuncokola nakancinci xa ndixakekile okanye ndinqamile, ixesha alikho. So we have uxolo, sorry, kodwa, but, andikwazi ukuncokola, I can't chat, nakancinci, even a bit, xa ndixakekile, when I am busy, okanye ndinqamile, or in a hurry. Ixesha alikho, there is no time. Hayi torho, elaa xhego lisoloko linxilile ngalo lonke ixesha. No shame, that old man. So torho is probably from the Afrikaans word toch, but it doesn't have to be. Anyway, often used to express pity or a sentiment like shame. Hayi torho, elaa xhego, that old man, lisoloko linxilile. He's always drunk the whole time. Ngalo lonke ixesha. Tata ixesha lakho, andinqamanga. Take your time, I am not in a hurry.